Wait a minute, it's Uber gonna lose that. It's a piece of the puzzle.
Seriously? Seriously?
I don't believe my tooth is in between my fingers. I can't even eat. Can't put the puzzle. Put it back in my mouth. Very fast, what I gotta say. Right there.
So what she gotta go to Walmart to do again?
Get some, it's called dental tech, and then we're gonna paste it because it's white. Then we're gonna paste some on there. Stick it in the mouth. You're supposed to let it dry.
Let me see the tube. Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, you gonna put it in there? Oh, no, I need that yet.
Okay.
This is too funny. You know when they put in takeout, I can wear them for a couple days.
A grill?
Yeah, the grill.
You want a silver or a gold one?
Get some diamonds. I'll be looking good.